This is the analysis of development of Panchayat government buildings in Bihar under Nitish Kumar's leadership. The development of Panchayat government building in Bihar has been a pivotal initiative under Chief Minister Nitish Kumar's leadership. These efforts aim to strengthen local governance by creating infrastructure that facilitate essential administration at the grassroots level. Foundation of Panchayat government building. In 2024, the Bihar government laid the foundation for 2,615 Panchayat government buildings with a significant allocation of 7,160 crore. These buildings are designed to provide a centralized space for Panchayati Raj institutions, ensuring a streamlined government at the villages level. Nitish Kumar emphasizes that this building would align with state governance system to promote uniformity and efficiency in their operation. Here is the inauguration of Resources Center. As a part of initiative, several district Panchayat Resource Center and a Panchayat government building were inaugurated. This Resources Center aimed to serve as hub for training and administrative support, improving the scale of local officials and ensuring the better delivery of the public services. Here is the digital innovation in a local governance. The government also introduced the e-Gram Kachari court management system to improve the functionality of Gram Kacharis, which serve as a village's court. This system aimed to enhance transparency and efficiency in resolving disputes at the local level. By leveraging technology, the government has taken a step towards modernizing grassroots governments and promoting accountability. Here is the progress and the future goals. The development of Panchayat government building is processing steadily. Out of the proposed 8,053 buildings, approvals has been granted for 6,858 structures. Over 1,500 buildings have already been completed, while others are under construction. The Chief Minister has directed officials to ensure the timely identification of land and the completion of all the buildings by mid-2025. This initiative reflects the government dedication of strengthening Panchayati Raj institutions, which are crucial for effective implementation of development program and public welfare schemes. Here is the sustainability and energy efficiency. A key features of this project is the integration of renewable energy solution. The government planned to install solar panels on the roof of Panchayat government buildings, reducing electricity costs and promoting sustainable energy uses. This move aligned with Bihar's broader environmental goal and set an example for the other states to adopt green infrastructure practices. Here is the impact on the local governance. The development of this building is expected to have a transformative impact on the local governance. Dedicated administrative spaces will provide better accessibility to the government services for a rural population. It will also create an environmental conducive to effective discussion making and resources management at the village level. Last but not the least, here is the conclusion. The initiative to develop Panchayat government building in Bihar under Nitish Kumar's leadership marks a significant step towards empowering local governance. By focusing on infrastructure, technology, integration and sustainability, the government aimed to enhance the efficiency of the Panchayati Raj institution. This effort not only strengthens the administrative framework but also promotes inclusive development, ensuring that even the most remote villages in Bihar can benefit from improved governance and public services. Thank you for watching this video.